Hello everyone. I'm going to finish a few projects I had started earlier, well, last year, with my excess resin, a couple of cute little mushroom molds. We're going to do something sweet with these, so stay with me. I'll be right back. Hello everyone, this is Billie. Welcome to Billie Holman Creations. Now I had used excess resin this last little while, and I had just been pouring them into these cute little mushroom molds. I did get these from Temu, so let me show you what they're going to look like. They're very cute and very detailed, and they are going to make the cutest little magnets. So here we go. That's a pretty fuchsia pink, if you can see that. Probably see the detail on the black better, maybe. It shows the little dots, and there's a little texture on the stems. So all I've been doing was taking some beautiful colors. These are iridescent paints that I got off of Amazon, and I believe there's a set of 18. I should have saved the box, but I put these on my wall. So I've just taken some white and my little dotting tools, and I'm just going to add little color sporadically on these. So let's just do one for an example. Where's the right size? Okay, this will work. So I used the bigger ball just to go on the white. They're not perfect, but we're just going to add a little color here and there. So I'll put a little orange here, little orange there, maybe on the edge, put one in the middle here, maybe in that little gap, put some down here, and so on. Just been adding colors. Let's try. Look how pretty these are. Now they're very shiny. They're iridescent. Did I say that? I don't think I said that, but they are iridescent. Hisco is the company, Hisco. So let's add this pretty little orchid flash. We'll try that. I'm just dipping out of the lid. Normally I'd put it in a palette, but we'll just do it this way. That's very light purple. A couple of those. You can use acrylic paint, tester's paint. Let's try this purple here. Any other paints. And this was leftover resin, and it's my Let's Resin resin. I like that on the black. I was trying to go 3 colors on each little dot, but that's the idea of it all. I won't go ahead and finish those with you. I can do those on the side because I do have some others made. Now it's easy as that. Now I'm just going to add some magnets on the back. Now you can get round magnets, and I'll put a link in the description, but I happen to have these magnets here. Now, you know, I salvage everything I can. These came off an old screen door, and the screen was all ratted and tatted, so I just took all these magnets out of it, and I did get quite a few, so they fit perfectly. I was going to find one I had finished. I still need to add, see, I still need to add color to these. It takes a while. So these, I did one already, fit perfectly on the mushroom. So let's just take this blank one. And I believe I used E6000, but I'm going to grab this B7000. And ta-da, you have beautiful, cute magnets. And I know everyone loves mushrooms, I guess. They're the rage. I'm just going to put a dab on there. Put this here. From top to bottom. If you had a round one, you could just do it on the top or the middle. They're very light, so I don't think you need a very big magnet, but I'm just going to use up what I have. So let's set that aside. Better prop it up so it doesn't slide around, because it just did. Okay. There we go, over there. Don't slide no more. Oh, look at that. It just swirled on me. Maybe it's attracted to the other magnets that are too close. That could be it. All right, there you go. Magnets, really cute. Now this other mold, these are mushrooms too, and I'm not going to do anything special to these. I'm just going to demold. I just put various colors inside, whatever was left. I did try to stop right at the cap. And that way, you know, you can determine top to bottom. Let's get a little alcohol in here. They're a bit tricky. Once you get that in, switch that around. Come on, all the way down to the cap. Two different shapes here. And I don't remember, I think these came in a set. I'm not exactly sure. It's been a while. But we'll make something different out of these. Here we go. Well, I thought. Oh, get over that lip. What do you have? We have black and clear and turquoise. There's the clear right there. Little swirl. It's probably alcohol inks. So there's the one. It's rather blunt, and these are only a couple inches tall. Really, really cute. Now this one, I think, when I did the cauldron with the frog in it, or the toad, I used these little glass beads or bubbles, and I think that's what's in here. So let's do this again. We're going to have a whole variety. I'll show you what I've come up with here. I think this one's easier to get out. Let's just demold. I'd like to make a lot more of these, actually. Okay, Billy, get it over the edge. My fingernails are getting so long, I'm afraid I'm going to pierce some of these molds. And for those of you who have gotten to know me, I don't do nail polish. It bothers me. I feel like a ton of weight has been put on my fingers when I have nail polish on, but I know they'd be pretty. Oh, for goodness sakes, this one's tough. Get out. Oy, a little more. It's going to be difficult just because we're on camera. I think that's how it goes. You can be working all alone by yourself, not on camera, and everything goes so smoothly until you turn the camera on. I might have to really wrestle this one, but I want to see it. Boy, that's got a, should I say, it's got a big old head on it. But they're cute. If I can just get, watch it pop me in the eye. You know, one time I was demolding a sphere with a doll head in it, and oh my god, I had to wrestle that to the ground, and I thought for sure it was going to hit me in the head and knock me out. And that bugger come out flying. Here we go. What's that? 30 seconds of trying to demold. Ooh, we've got glitter in that one. That's very pretty. Look at that. Oh, you can put whatever you want in there. And for those of you who have told me or suggested get a deburring machine, a deburring tool. I got one. It's not going to go over those balls real well, but we're just going to get most of that edge off. I'm so used to a knife. In this case, with these little beads, I might just have to set them on the sanding belt for a minute. Okay, now we will pretend that is cleaned. So there's two. Now, if you have dowels, I think what would be 1/4-inch dowels or even smaller, you can use those. But I happen to have these big metal rods in the shop. They came from another old project. Went out to the garage and I drilled holes. These are 7/64, I believe. And I drilled just maybe 3/8 of an inch down. There's one that was difficult. I couldn't get it through because there's rocks in it. And I'll show you that. So I'm just going to glue these in. Put a little glue in there. Get it in there. Don't know how much I got in there. And we're just going to stick this in here. Let that dry. And we have, ta-da, plant pokes. I love having plant pokes or cute little things in your potted plants. Now these can be outside even, but I'd say in the shade. But that's what I'm making with these. Now that's a bit crooked, so that tells me my hole was crooked. This is the rock. Look at that with all the stones. I could not get very deep into that one because it is obstructed, but I was able to just get maybe 1/4 of an inch depth in there. Didn't turn out the greatest. Now some of these are long, some of these are short, and you can use E6000 too. See, this one's not going to go in very far, but it's going to be tight. So that will work. Now, look at them all. Here we go. I did all of these. Look how cute. We've got red and orange and rocks and clear and black and gray and blue. Quite a variety. These would be so simple. Well, they are very simple to do. And I'm sure if you do a craft fair, you could sell these real easily. So those are all the colors I have. I'll take a still. This is just a quick and easy project, but I needed to get these finished. The only thing that takes time is coloring the dots on the magnets, and you really don't even have to do that. You can just do a solid color if you want to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take good care, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And something I've not told you, or I forget to tell you, is that I have discount codes. I have a whole list of discount codes from different companies for resin products. I also have a great Amazon list of what I use. And then you can find a list of, I call it my must-haves for resin. And you can find a lot of products there. So my description box is really, really full. And if you'd like to take a little time and look at that, feel free to do so. So I'll say goodbye. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Big hugs. Bye.